going to be showing you a fidget spinner collection. Just a sec.
My first one is this pink one, and it has little green circles. This one is my favorite because it spins really fast.
Mine's the same one like hers. Mine spins super fast. Lily's, she can really spin it hard. And I got this for my birthday.
Okay, my second one, I got this one for my birthday too. My second one is a yellow one that my dad got from the airport, and I love it a lot too.
This is the same one, but it's blue. My dad got it, and I love this one absolutely. I put this down to spin, and it was still spinning for a minute.
I also like this silver one that I got for my birthday, and it spins really fast, and it goes for a while.
This is one. It's glow up in the dark. Me and Lily and Mom. She's
Mine goes up yellow and
Mom
his goes
said
a dark blue.
My mom said we went to the magic toy shop and she told us we could buy one, and we both got glow up in the dark.
And
Do you want to go see how it glows up?
I'd love
mine
to.
goes up yellow and his goes up dark blue. That's how we do it. This one goes up yellow and his goes up blue.
Okay.
Cool. You gotta get close up.
Still showing. Our last one. This was my first fidget spinner I ever got. My dad ordered it for me, and my cousin, he might be in some videos, but he has this one too, and it has a crack.
And then comment down below which one was your favorite fidget spinner. Bye guys!